think. We're getting there. I hate those videos that just do that. Like, I'm Cody with Partial Safety. Today, we are going to be talking about our newest respiratory protection. And if you're a welder, listen up, because this one is for you. We got the new WF-101 Auto-Darkening Welding Respirator right here. We're going to unbox it, and we're going to tell you all about the great benefits that come right in this box. So let's take a look at it right now. Very basic box. We're going to customize that down the road. But today, we keep it nice and easy so that people don't know what's coming in to your door when you buy. You got a mask, you got a nice little carrying bag, storage bag right there. And then you also get a set of OAX filters. We also have some protections for the welding lens right there. And then of course a warranty card. Should you have any issues at all, you can contact us and we'll get you taken care of. And the instruction manual. Let's talk about the 6 most important benefits that make this thing the best welding respirator on the market. You can pause it if you want. I am a villain in an anime. Take a look at it. This is the new WF-101. Now, I went ahead and opened up a pack for you guys so that we can kind of show you how the filters work. But the first thing you're gonna notice, you guys gave us great feedback on the WF-100. You want an auto-darkening lens? You got it. Flip it right up, very easy to access right here. It has a shade, comes in 4 for grinding, 5 through 8 for plasma cutting, and then 9 through 13 for welding. Another great benefit of the WF-101 Welding Respirator by Partial Safety, the auto-darkening lens, does come in 4.5 inches by 5.25 inches. That's your standard auto-darkening lens size. I know, you guys are all looking at each other. Stop it, quit it. Another great benefit of the WF-101 Auto-Darkening Full Face Welding Respirator by Partial Safety, of course, the respirator part of it. It has this nice flip hood where you have a full face respirator with grinding shield right underneath it. You have the ability to use this without having to switch your mask. So like when you are welding, have it down, and you go to grinding, you just flip it right up. That patented feature of these models right here, both the WF-100 and the 101. Every one of our respirators, Partial Safety, come with a set of filters already stock in the box. This is no difference. It comes with our OAX particulate with organic and acetic gas filtration right there. So just pop these guys right on. So you got those 2 on. As you can tell, it comes with a nice plastic cover on there. What does that do? That keeps from big, like it getting too much stuff inside the particulate. That way the air is kind of filtered around and comes in through the back and then comes in. Now, one of the last benefits that we're gonna be talking about, and this is feedback directly from some of the welders that we've had tested out, is the lightweight, comfortable design. A lot of guys, when they think of a full face welding respirator, they think it's gonna be bulky, like a big old, welding hood, and then you're gonna have like a half face mask underneath there, and it gets very hot, very uncomfortable. You can wear this for a long amount of time. So I think the guys that we were working with, they had them on for 2-3 hours and they didn't feel bad at all. So now you know a little bit about our newest welding respirator, the WF-101 Auto-Darkening Full Face Welding Respirator by Partial Safety. If you want to be one of the first to get access to this, shop now at partialsafety.com. Let's talk about another great benefit of the WF-101 Stop looking places. God, it's like a. Well, it's like yawning or sneezing.